Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is the very last video of me trying the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless palettes. This one is on the Decadent palette, which is right here. And I created this gorgeous makeup look using this palette. I am obsessed with it. I am going to be showing you how I created this makeup look because I am absolutely obsessed with this makeup look, like honestly. So I'm going to be showing you that, but I'm going to be talking through and swatching as well, so let's get on with it. You can pick this palette up from the Revolution Beauty website for £10. It is also on Beauty Bay because I looked it up the other day for the other video that I filmed. So yes, it is now official. It is on Beauty Bay and you can also get it on Superdrug, and it will also be £10 everywhere. This is the palette, and this one is again, I think, I don't know if it's just me, but I think they're all like marble except the Constellation palette, but I might be wrong. I might have gotten the pattern wrong, but that's, to me, looks like marble. This one is definitely marble, I think. These are the shades inside the palette. They are just gorgeous, warm shades that you can wear in the late summer or autumn and just in general everyday looks, because these shades are like all warm shades and stunning. I can't wait to swatch a few of these shades. I have swatched a few already just to like decide what one I was going to use. I am obsessed with those, and there will be more looks coming because I just couldn't decide and I really want to try them. So stay tuned for my Instagram because there will be photos coming. So as I've swatched a few of these shades, I am going to be swatching this shade up here called Pearls even, sorry. And then Majesty. And then I'm also going to be swatching Glimmer. The reason I'm doing that, I've already swatched the other shimmers in later on in the video, so you'll see them there. So that's why I'm doing these three. And oh my god, this one looks amazing. So I'm just going to swatch it on my hand here and we're going to see what it looks like. Okay, so that white shade, definitely. As you can see, the Majesty shade is a bit, not sheer because it is really like pigmented, but it's just like a bit light, so it's alright. So this one has come out a bit more darker and this one is just insane. I'll probably even just use that as a highlight because wow. Should we actually test it? Put it here. Oh my, that's insane, loving it. Let's get some matte shade swatches. I'm going to swatch Head On It because that looks nice. Ooh, Sundown looks really nice. It's just this shade here. It's an orange rustic shade, that's really nice. I'm going to swatch Scorched. And then let's swatch, oh I don't know. Let's swatch Splendid because that looks quite nice. And these are the shades, they look very, yeah, they look quite samey. But yeah, I'm just going to swatch these here. I have got rid of that. And hopefully this fits on my hand. Oh, I can see crumbling. Okay, so that's definitely, well, the top ones are definitely insane. Like, look at that pigment. And that pink shade, which is the Scorch shade, is absolutely stunning. And the Splendid shade, which is this shade, I need to remember the names. Splendid looks quite nice. I think it's just because I pulled it down. This part is not actually come out too well, but these two shades, oh my goodness, I can't wait to use these shades. So I'm just making a mess now. So if you want to see how I created this gorgeous makeup look, then just keep on watching. So I'm just going to take the shade Indulge, and this one kind of looks a bit shimmery, but I'm not too sure if some of the shades have like fallen into that. But I'm just going to use that as a, why do words disappear from my brain when I want to say something? I'm going to use it as a transition shade. Oh, I've left the mirror film on it, so I can't actually see what I'm doing. Okay, just dropped the palette and got it on my thumb. Shades are okay. What even colour did I even, oh, I hit, okay, cool. I'm gonna go in with Indulge and just apply that to my crease. What a great start to the video. So this is actually quite a nice transition shade. Still quite a lot of fallout. but it's not too bad. These two are quite similar. You got the Sahara and you got Karma. I just think Karma is just a little bit more warm toned. So I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go in with Sahara because it's just a little bit less golden and more brown. Does that make sense? And I'm just going to apply that to my crease as well because it's still fallout. Just want to see how golden it is. It's not too bad. Quite a nice shade. How on earth have I got eyeshadow that's not even my shade that I'm using up here? Seriously. I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Grandeur, if I am pronouncing that properly. It's just a dark brown matte shade, and I'm just going to apply that to my outer corner using a angled brush, and I'm hoping... I've also burnt my finger on my hair straighteners, so that's why it's red. I'm kind of tempted to do my favourite Christmas makeup look. Okay, so that's just like come straight off the brush right there. Okay, so those colours actually look quite nice. They've blended really well. There's quite a lot of fallouts in some places, but I always clean it up anyway, so not bad. I quite like the shade. And so now I'm going to go in with a concealer and just apply that to my lids, just to, like, I always say, neaten up the edges. I'm just going to apply it to my lids, and then I will be back to do another shade. So this palette is just getting all over the place because I was going to use Plush, but it looks like I've already like dug my finger in it, which will probably be this one. Probably be the why I had the shade up there. It might have been that one, I don't know. So this palette is just becoming a mess basically. I am torn between a few shades. I don't know. I was more drawn to this shade here called Plush, so that was my plan, but I kind of want to go in with Luxe because, I don't know, I just feel like creating a Christmassy makeup look now. But then Gleam looks quite nice, so I'm going to swatch them on my hand. So, Lavish? Where did even Lavish come from? Oh, Lavish is above it. So Plush, Luxe and Gleam. Ooh, but Pearls is... Okay, so here's my hand. I have like a really baggy jumper on, sorry. So these are the shades here, which they look quite nice. I like in them. Okay, so what do I have on my hand? I have other shades that I swatched earlier. I have brush marks on my hand. So I'm hoping these are going to be really nice. So I'm just going to swatch these shades. Oh my goodness, they're insane. Okay, so I'm just taking the Luxe shade on a brush this time. It is quite a weird brush. So I'm just going to see what it's like with the brush, like I always do. Okay, so it does pack on quite nicely. It's just hard to work with. Okay, I'm going to move to finger, because we like a finger. Right, so taking my finger. Oh, so much better. Oh, so that's really nice. Let's do the other eye. And then just taking that Grandeur shade, I'm just gonna like pat it off first. And then I'm just gonna apply it to my lower lash line. And I'm just going to see what it's like to put the shade Gleam in my inner corners, which is like the lighter gold orangey shade. Okay, I might try my finger again, just to get some pigment. Okay, that's not too bad. I really love these shades and they blended really well. There's quite a lot of fallout, but I'll just clear that up once I jump off camera and do the rest of my makeup look. So I am back and this is the finished makeup look. I am obsessed. The shades are just like, honestly, I love it. And it goes really well with the lipstick. I just thought I'd just try something different, go a bit metallic, and I am honestly in love. And I even said I was going to do a Christmassy makeup look and it's not even Christmassy, so it's just giving me like, I don't know, like late summer, early autumn vibes, and I'm absolutely loving the shades and everything about this palette. So I definitely will be using this one probably like an everyday makeup. Well, it's definitely got the shades for an everyday makeup look. So yeah, what do you guys think? Do you love this look? Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe because I post regularly about makeup and you'll just see a lot of makeup related things on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. They'll be down below in the description bar. So you can follow me for more makeup updates and just anything in general about makeup because I am obsessed. But yeah, that's all for now and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, bye. Oh, bye.